Hi, I am S. Tamnini and I am studying 7th standard. We are from Saira Metric Higher Secondary School, Tiruvallur.
I am G. Monisraj. I am studying 6th standard.
I am Young I am studying 6th standard.
Our project name is vacuum cleaner robot. We are using components are servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver, Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper wire, wheels, battery, PO motor. The Internet of Things is a network of physical devices that are electronic sensor software and network connectivity to share the data. Scope of work: the smart vacuum cleaner robot is built to collect the dry dust particles on the smooth tiles without human intervention. Problem statement: to design a vacuum cleaner that is programmed to clean the floor.
The objectives of projects are to automatically detect and avoid the obstacle, to collect the dust particle into the vacuum, to control the robot through application. This robot is wireless device. It can navigate to cover the large area. It also makes less human interaction, which reduce the human